up everyone? I am back today and I am in Killarney, Ireland today. So we will be doing a bit of a day trip here. Just at one of the most amazing breakfasts at this little place. It is Café du Parc. There we go. Struggling a bit with all the words and stuff still. But yeah, I'm gonna do a bit of a tour around the town, and the little town is right there behind me. Then I'm going to go and top up my parking, which I think is in about an hour and a bit, and then I'll be heading to the national park where I'll be doing a bit of drone flying, and I'm going to take you all along for the ride. So let's go. So I just realized that with me going back earlier, my car rental that I booked for 2 weeks is going to be cut much shorter. So luckily I found a local, I think it's a budget that I went with, but I found a local office here in Killarney, sorted out the car rental, guys, changing the terminal that I'm taking it back to, all sorted. Now let's get on with the day. Look, it's the sun! You know there's a global shortage when shops in Killarney needs to put up posters to say Pokemon cards are sold here. Now I feel obligated to go and buy a booster and open it up in Killarney National Park. Let's go. Ended up not buying any. As you can see, the recommended price for a pack is like $3.99, and they were selling it for like $5.25, $5.40-ish. And I'm not going to feed the scalping nature of overpaying for packs because it is rare or scarce. So yeah, off to Killarney National Park, and we're going to take the drone up in the sky. Just going to go pay for my parking ticket and get some extra time on it. Yep, see you in a bit. I made a little bit of a mistake. This is actually not the Killarney National Park. This is the Killarney Gardens. But nonetheless, let's take the drone up and yeah, let's get some footage. I'm so glad I took this street up. I was just about to head back to the car, but there's like a little awesome mural painting thing going on there. Then also we've got a Irish music store that I spotted just now. I'm going to see if that's open, and it seems to be like a little game store just up a road, this little orange building there behind me. So yeah, let's go and scratch around and see what's up. Well, I'm calling it a day. It's about 5 o'clock right now, and yeah, I walked a couple of kilometers in Killarney National Park, got some amazing drone footage, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to smash the like button. If you want to see more, maybe click on the subscribe and the bell icon to be notified when I'm uploading more. And yeah, I'm out of breath because I'm unfit. And yeah, this was my day in Killarney in Ireland. Till next time, see you in Dublin.